What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to do a short little video of a new project that we have going to go on to the F150. So we're going to do a short little unboxing video of a new project that we're going to get to here shortly with the F150. But a little backstory on this and how all this happened. As y'all know, I am friends with Jay at JFab Performance. He has a buddy, Alfonso, that works for AWE Exhaust Systems. Alfonso had contacted Jay to have him install an exhaust system onto his truck, his catback, so that they could use his truck in one of their shows that's coming up here shortly. It is the Keystone Big Show at the Gaylord Texan in Grapevine, Texas. It's going to be March 13th to the 14th. The show is basically like PRI. If some of y'all don't know what PRI is, it is the Performance Racing Industry Show. It's up in Indianapolis, usually done in December. I think I want to say December 10th, somewhere around there. Basically, it's kind of like SEMA, but for just parts, so they don't have a lot of cars there. It's not a show stuff. They're showing off parts and new things that are coming to the industry. So Alfonso contacted Jay to have him put an exhaust system on his truck, to have it in their booth in the AWE booth. But unfortunately, Jay's exhaust system on his truck couldn't accommodate this system because of how his exhaust is set up. So he told Alfonso, he goes, "Hey, I've got the perfect guy that has a stock exhaust system and a built truck, and it looks good." This guy. So he went ahead and hooked me up with Alfonso. We talked, sent over all my social media stuff to him. They had all their guys look over my YouTube channel, my Instagram stuff, and they were like, "Yep, we want to use that truck." So they went ahead and sent me an exhaust system to install on the truck to have in their booth at the Keystone show in March. So today we're just going to do a short little unboxing video of the exhaust system that they sent me. It is a full bolt-on catback. I believe it utilizes all the stock hanger systems. It is a rear exit behind the tire exhaust system. So it's not like the Corsas or the Borlas or the MRBPs. So it is going to be something a little different. So I thought this would be kind of cool to give y'all a different option on exhaust systems. And that way we can show you the sound on the AWE so y'all can hear something a little different. So we'll go ahead and unbox this thing so y'all can see what it looks like. So here is the part number for the truck. So as you can see, it actually accommodates 21 and up Ford F-150 regular cab. I chose the black tips because that's what I like. They also have just polished tips as well, so you have your options as well. So hopefully this system won't be as loud as the rest, but we will see after we get it unboxed and installed. So let's see what we got inside here. Lots of paper. So we got some cool tips. They give you a lollipop too, so that's awesome. And I'm going to assume, yeah, these are clamps. So those are pretty cool. So you got your Y. So you got your collector flange. That's going to go on the Y pipe on the headers. And then, what else we got here? Mid pipe. And your actual muffler. So So this is going to be the muffler that's going to go on there. So it looks like about the same size as the Corsa, but it's supposed to have some sort of non-drone technology in here, so you don't get any drone, which is kind of what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for a nice sound when we get on the throttle, but nothing raspy and annoying like some of those Corsas can be with headers. A lot of the issue, honestly, is because when you run headers, everything just gets so much louder, even with cats, because I've got cats on my truck, and it still gets loud. So we're going to be doing a installation video on this here shortly, probably next couple weeks, and have that out before the show. Now, the show you cannot get in, it's not for the public, but since I'm going to have my truck in the booth at AWE, they went ahead and gave me some passes, so I might do a live stream. Comment in the comments below if that's something y'all would like to see, and I can do a live stream inside the convention center to show y'all new stuff that's coming out. And not everything's going to be F-150 stuff. It's a whole bunch of manufacturers there that do a whole bunch of range of imports, domestic trucks, all that kind of stuff. So they do a whole bunch of cool stuff there. So I can do that. Just comment down below if that's something y'all would like to see, and I can make that happen. But that's pretty much it for this. So I just wanted to do a short little unboxing video to show y'all a new video that we will have come out for the F-150, because I know we haven't done a lot of stuff because my Trans is on the ragged edge of going out, so I do need to get that rebuilt. So it is drivable. I just can't race it. It'll hang forth and then just stay there, and then finally shift. So it's on the ragged edge of going out. So that's one thing that we do have to do. We're going to be doing after Texas 2K. Right now, my focus right now is to get my car done for Texas 2K, so that way we're able to race in March. And then once we do that, we're going to be hitting the F-150 hard again and getting some more stuff out on that. So that'll do it for this short little unboxing episode. If y'all would, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share this out, like, hit the bell, and we'll check you on the next one.